up some pieces for Oh look, can I use this door card? Nice. He got us here quickly. What does he need? Oh, your tools. Alright, we're ready. You pick it. We're gonna go pick up some pieces for This is not an F80, bro. You gotta close it properly. Alright, we're gonna pick some pieces up for this, whatever we can on this junk E36 we found. You pull it, this will be a first time experience. That's amazing. Find out where these pieces are. Okay. Okay, row 1 through 58 is over here. So row 58. Dude, this is kind of sad. It's bleak. This is crazy. It's like depressing, but then when we get some free shit, wow, that looks safe. Would you work under that? Look at how they held up. They held up my steelies. This thing, Project Menazia. What do you think, Chris? Yeah, right? Project Menaz. Well, oh yeah. Look fresh on the E36. This is what we need. No, this will work.
Still got one.
Nice. We got the sockets that we needed. This is exactly what we came here for. So the goal of the project is already complete. Now the rest is literally going to be icing on the cake if we find it. Dude, his handles look better than mine. Dude, damn, someone raped it, bro. Look at that. Oh, that's 170 and it still works. Yes. Oh my God, this is awesome. Guys, I just saved about 200 bucks. $200. Chris, there's a... Oh, there's a radio. Yeah, there's a little flood damage card or something. But I'm trying to think, should I grab this anyway? I don't know if it works though. Nah. It's a Mazda radio. I think someone's effing around. Damn, someone stole the toolkit like right away, dude. They don't mess around. Like literally it's been here for a day and someone thrashed it. But that's what the point of picking is. You gotta be here on time. But we're still gonna get what we want. Automatic poop. Yo, should I steal that handbrake? Black leather?
How do you take it?
I thought it just bounced out, but should I steal this handbrake? This one? That looks good. Because mine's wood and this is black leather. Guys, this may not seem like a big deal, but this piece is broken on my car. And this replacement one, OEM from BMW, from Get BMW Parts, $160. I'll let you know how much I get it for, but it's probably gonna be less than like 15 bucks. So this is a steal. This alone made the deal worth it, big time. Those two clips that you see, you can't even find those from Get BMW Parts. So honestly, it was just luck of the draw, and that's what we needed, and that's what we got. So it's perfect, man. Yeah, hell yeah. We took everything apart. We took door handles, we took trim. This car was actually in pretty good condition. We took everything, and now I can make my door fit perfect by taking all these clips. This is all the little shit that you want to get but you don't want to pay for brand new from BMW. This is awesome. First time I've been to a junkyard like this and found like a prize car like this that's gonna work almost in every aspect. But yeah, we got lucky. This is awesome. Bag to hold all the shit that we got, because it ended up being not just 1 or 2 parts, it's like 50 parts. But Chris got this idea of using the airbag as a bag. Who would have thought? We're repurposing. See, who said James wasn't green? This is why I get to do all those illegal smog things with my car and take the cats out, because I'm always saving the earth. Look at this. Reusing, reducing, recycling. Chris was not joking. We just went in there and pretty much stole a whole E36, in my opinion. And I got, hold on, that was a bad way to show it, but all these parts, okay, which would have cost me Just the vent alone was $160. Okay, just the vent alone for the center cluster would have cost me $160, and all the parts together was $38. No, I didn't steal anything. I paid for everything I got. That's ridiculous.
Work with. There you go. So you got that white one, right?
Yeah.
This trouble to get rid of.
2 inputs and 2 outputs are grouped together.
Low beam.
Cut and join the wires much in.
We're gonna have to
This
use
is the rewire method.
what it is here.
So what wires are these?
All because
Oh,
he
if you
had
go back.
angel lights and now reverted back.
See
Oh,
these
yeah.
wires?
And now I got headaches, but Senor is always ready
He's
to help me.
cutting those 3 wires.
He's
Yeah,
gonna adjust it
yellow,
always
red.
to help me.
Yellow, red's here.
So yellow, green.
Dude, you're
Green
green
and
like
gray.
a savage.
Green and gray.
This is all to get the OBC
Splice it
check
and
error
put the
off
module
my
back on, and
E36
then
M3.
we will just, put keys in the car.
The quest for no check engine lights and the quest for no check control lights.
So blue and gray, you said? Or green and
Green and gray.